Here, Pollard Ford. Want to thank you for taking the time today to check out this video. If you have any questions, give us a call or come and see us South Loop 29 in Indiana.
Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, front license plate bracket, steering wheel controls. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Pollard, we make owning a new Ford affordable.